Vlogmas Day 8 and it's a Friday, which I'm so excited about. It's gonna be a long weekend. Like, I have so much things to do. I really have to spend today to like plan out and average times because I have a lot of events and I think I might have to cancel some, to be honest. And I really want to go maybe some shopping. I don't know, we'll see. I washed some mats. I was like really scrubbing the house. I sweeping up the whole house. Didn't have breakfast. Mahisha's already on lunch, but I'm having a strawberry yogurt. This brand in bulk. It's kind of cute. I like this because it's like tiny and I can eat it out. Have you all ever had dal to drink? It's minutes to 1. We having a snack. How you looking?
You're doing good. Yeah.
Why? You looking beautiful?
I'll see that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. I feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you.
Show some all sides,